Hi everyone, so I'm excited. I'm going to do an unboxing today. This is my order from Button Boy Inc. And I purchased the 2 1/4 button maker. So let me get all the stuff out. So this is the last size that I want of the button makers. I already have the 1 inch, the 1 1/4, and now the 2 1/4. Oh, this is heavy. And I'll put their link down below. So I got the kit that came with the punch and 500 of the mirror backs. So these are the shells. So there's 100 of the shells. And then it came with the 100 pack of mirrors. And then these are the collets. And then you get 100 shims. And then this is a pack of 100 mylars. And then the punch. Let's get the punch. Oh, and this one is, the other one was Little B, so this one is EK Tools. So awesome. Another familiar company. Okay, so here's the button maker. Super excited for this. Okay, so you get the instructions that has information about the machine, and then also it gives you a template, which is nice, and then your warranty to register your machine. Okay, and then you get some samples. So I got some pin backs, which is nice. So I can make some pins. And then you get some shells. And then you get a pack of mylars too. So this should be fun. And then here's the machine. Oh my goodness. This thing is really heavy. Right. Put that box aside. Ooh, super excited for this one. Nice. Yeah, I really wanted this because I wanted to make some mirrors. Because you all know I have girls and I have a ton of nieces and my sister and cousins and so many people I can make these mirrors for. And then it also has different backings. As you can see, you can make pin backs, magnets, keychains. That's the other thing I want to get, is the keychains. So let's make a pin back with this. So let me got this little sample pack that they sent me. I love the size. It's a really nice size. Make a pin. And then I got my sample. Let me open my punch. So it's really nice that their punches are from, you know, these companies that us crafters are familiar with. Because, you know, EK Tools is a really great company when it comes to their punches. Okay, so let me find a picture. Hold on, let me get a piece of, should have had one already. Ready. Let me see. I'm just going to grab one of my papers here. So I'm going to grab this one. And then I'm just going to center her. So Nice. Punches really nice. Wants to come out. Okay. So let's put that to the side. Let's get our Mylar. And again, you want to make sure there's only one because they do tend to stick together. So here we go. Just going to put the shell first, then the photo, and then the Mylar. And then our pen. Alright, let's try it. Sorry about that, my battery died, so here's the finished button. It's really cute. So we're going to make a mirror this time. So I'm going to take, here's one that I already made. My sweet dog, Princess. May she rest in peace. I miss her so much. So this is going to be the mirror that I'm going to use in my purse. And then I'm going to make one for my girls. Okay, so what you're going to need to do is you're going to need your shell. Then you're going to need your image. Then you're going to take your Mylar. And then on this side, you're going to need the collet, cup side up. Then you're going to take your mirror side facing down. And then you're going to need the shim. And then you're going to bend it a little bit. This is going to prevent the mirror from rattling. Okay, so just, and you don't want to bend it too much to where it won't fit underneath the die. So we're going to press. And there you are. You have a really cute custom-made mirror. Isn't that cute? I love this. So I'll put all the information down below, and thanks for watching. Bye.